Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where Opera is not opening on Windows 11 and you wish to get it working again, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Search for Store in the Windows search bar and then go to the Microsoft Store. Now, search for Opera here and hit enter. Wait till it loads, go to the Opera browser and then click on install. Now this is a very important move because if you install it from any third party website, it may be problematic, and if you install it from the Opera website, it will still push in more malware to your system, and that may also not be the best version. But when you're installing it from the Microsoft Store, they check the software before letting you install it on your system. So we'll wait till it's done and then I'll show you the rest of the process. Okay, now it's installed. Once it is installed, you will notice one thing, that it does not have any app settings column. So one solution is that you can try running it as an administrator if it works. In my case, it worked, so I'll wait till it loads. If not, then you will have to uninstall it and reinstall it from the same location that I showed you earlier, which is the Microsoft Store. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.